I'd like to introduce you to some Iwata essentials for cleaning and maintenance. This is stuff I use every day for when I'm breaking down brushes, cleaning, servicing, anything like that. First, I'll just show you this little zippered case. If you have multiple brushes, this is a great little case to have and you can travel with. There's also a little pouch in here so you can put any kind of random items inside here. Besides that zippered case, there's another one here, and this is the maintenance tools kit. It comes with some anti-marring pliers, a little clear tube empty for like spare needles. There are two different kind of wrenches here. These are for packing screws. There's two different sizes. There's a 1.4 and a 1.2. So depending on the type of airbrush you have, the last two little things in here would be an air valve tool. There's also two sizes on here as well. And then Iwata nozzle removal tool. This is a great little thing to have. Allows you to take the nozzle on and off without over torquing it. Inside this little pouch here, there are a couple brochures as well that will help you with some of the maintenance if it's your first time. There's some tips and tricks here, how to remove the air valve, the nozzle, using the anti-marring pliers. On the front side of this little packet, you can also add a few more brushes here as well. So nice little kit to have. In the little brochure pamphlets on the side is also some more information, similar to what's inside that brochure. So moving on from that, when I mentioned the anti-marring pliers, after a while, the little nylon inserts do wear out over time, so you can replace them by getting this little kit. Cleaning mat. It has a raised edge, so you won't lose all your tools and little parts that might fly around and take off on you. It seems like it's solvent resistant. Has some more items to show you on the back as well, and works great for your little workstation area while you're doing this type of work. This is a cleaning kit. Inside this case, it's all wrapped inside a bag of goodies here. There's some more troubleshooting guides, how-tos, things like that. Breaks it down, how to clean it step by step. Great helpful tips for everything that's inside this kit. So first it comes with a little bottle of airbrush cleaner. Then there's a nozzle wrench here, some little cleaning brushes to get inside that head unit. There's a tiny bottle of lube, as well as the bee balm. There's a nylon cleaning brush here, some pipe cleaners, and this little guy is a handy magnifying lens. There's two different strengths available, as well as a light on here as well. So you can see inside your nozzle and areas and things like that. Every little part is breaking down on the back of this packaging as well. So they also made this little cleaning kit refill pack. So it has some more of these little brushes in here, as well as the pipe cleaners. There's a little microfiber cloth here, some instructions on how to, as well as another spare cleaner bottle. Now, besides this little tiny 2-ounce bottle, they do have multiple different sizes as well. So these are some great things to have when you are airbrushing, and keep your stuff clean and tidy. And maintenance is definitely a big part of airbrushing. The better you clean your airbrush, the less headache you're gonna have. I hope you enjoy it and have a good time, and get these products here at spraygunner.com.